Hi everyone, here we've got KYOCERA Torque G03 and let me show you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's tap on the phone dialer and choose your contact list. Now let's find the one you want to edit and simply tap on it. Now let's choose this edit icon and tap on camera icon. And here you can decide if you want to take a photo and your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option if you've got the person right in front of you, or simply choose a photo from the gallery. So I will obviously choose a photo. Now let's tap on the photo you want to use, and here we have to decide where we want to complete the action, because we have to crop the picture, so we can use the gallery or Google Photos, and I think I will pick Google Photos. And from this step we can adjust the size of this square, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact. So simply position it just like you want. You can change the angle of the picture, it's up to you how you want to set it. And if you are happy with the results, tap on done. As you can see, it is immediately applied to our contact. Remember to tap on save here. Okay, now let's get back. As you can see, it is also visible on our contact list, and from now on you will be able to see it while all incoming calls from that number. So actually that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your KYOCERA Torque G03. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.